Imagine a lush landscape where a sparkling waterfall cascades into a clear pool, surrounded by fruit and flower trees. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms and the gentle rustle of leaves. Birds flit from branch to branch, singing as they search for fruit, while butterflies dance among the colorful flowers. Nearby, deer graze peacefully, occasionally pausing to drink from the stream. In this vibrant setting, every creature plays a role, illustrating the delicate balance and harmony found in nature.